Good evening, it's Doc Severson for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA trade of the day for Monday, the 17th of August. Over the last week or two, we've been saying, all right, go ahead and go for those altcoins because Bitcoin is going sideways, or Ethereum, right? So if you're using those as a reference currency to purchase your altcoins, that's good because they're going sideways, or at least Ethereum was until it did break out recently, a few days ago, right? But this is the sort of baton swap that we're going to have, is that if the top 10, top 20 are going to break out to the upside, ditch your altcoins because they're going to be under pressure and go with the top 10, top 20. So big breakout today on Bitcoin versus the US dollar. We're still within the expected move for the end of August, but not by much. You can see that here. And we're working on this expected move for September timeframe, which is all the way up to 14,000 and change. So this looks really good. Range contraction coming from a lot of energy, and look at the energy on the weekly chart as well too. It's diminished, but it's still enough to offer the next break higher for this. So again, don't know where it's going to go, but typically bull flags like this show up about the halfway point in a move. So is this going to continue? Depends on the volume. If the volume continues like similar to what we saw here, then that's a good sign that we're going to see persistent upside trend. Going through the rest of the top 10 here, we have Ethereum, we have Ripple finally broke today. Ripple above 32 cents. Awesome. Okay, Bitcoin Cash, nice break, about 320. Chainlink has just been unstoppable, but it's going to consolidate for a couple of days here, maybe a little bit longer if the rest of the top 10 is going to go. Now, some of these in the top 10, top 20 are just still not really with the program here. Litecoin has been rocking for the last couple of days. This is a great breakout up to about 68. Binance Coin still looks really good. Some of these we don't know. EOS has been, phenomenal breakout above 330. This is really good move. Tezos looks terrific, right? Looks terrific for the next break. Maybe another day or two, and we're going to have this one rotate back in. Now that's going to lead me to my trade of the day, and that is Monero. Monero has been consolidating. Looking at this on the weekly chart, still just enough energy to support the next break above about 95. All right, so about 95 is going to be the next break on this one. And overhead resistance sits right up at this level. So you can see that this is a big cup with handle pattern. And this may be ready to go. And if we catch the bigger move on here, this is going to be an enormous move for Monero. And this is why this is today's trade of the day. Couple more just to look at. Tron has been a massive move the last couple of days. VeChain is still waiting, but this is consolidating a lot. This one could break very soon. Here is Dash. Dash is looking all right. Ethereum Classic, slow moving, not up to speed with the big brother. Here is 0x, nice breakout that we've had in consolidation. Don't chase this one. Basic attention token, again, don't chase this. Atom, consolidating a few days away from the next break. Here's Zcash, looking good. Could look a little bit better if it gets above 90.5. This is good. Here is, let's see, Rep. Rep is just a very slow moving one. Here, OXT, we talked about this one yesterday and said, don't chase after this. Don't chase that one. Algo, flagging out nicely, not quite ready yet. Going to take a few more days. Here's Kyber Network, and this one is still on a big consolidation pattern, but starting to look more like that base, that rounded base. NEO's been really good lately. So from this break, we saw above 1350. NEO has put on at least 3 points since that point. MakerDAO, this one needs consolidation. This is why we said don't chase after this one. Probably setting up with great big cup with handle pattern. IoT to finish off the list here still continues to grind higher, but could use a rest. So again, today, trade of the day is Monero. Thanks for listening, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.